Have you ever sat down to create a video for your product, your brand, or even just an idea and realized it was going to take hours, maybe even days? First, you need a script. Then you need footage or visuals. Then comes editing, voiceover, background music, and finally uploading it to social media where the average person will swipe away in less than 3 seconds if you don't hook them immediately. It's exhausting. This is where Affogato AI enters the picture. Think of it as your AI video agent. Instead of juggling cameras, editing timelines, and royalty-free music libraries, you type a few lines describing your idea. You can also upload an image of your product, and then you wait a couple of minutes. What you get back is a short-form video with AI-generated visuals, a script-driven voiceover, transitions, and background music already synced together. It's designed to look like something you could post on TikTok or Instagram without touching an editing app. And let's be honest, not everyone has the time, money, or skill set to pull this off consistently. There's now an AI tool that promises to handle all of that for you. That's what Affogato AI claims to be. And in today's deep dive, we're going to see if it actually delivers, explore its strengths and limitations, and figure out if this is the future of content creation or just another overhyped AI tool. Most creators either spend hours editing or they burn cash hiring freelancers and agencies to churn out content. And when you're a small creator or you're running a business with limited resources, that's just not sustainable. Now, let's talk about what I actually liked about the experience. First, the speed. I can't stress this enough. Going from an idea to a usable video in under 5 minutes feels like cheating. For creators who need to upload consistently or marketers running multiple ad variations, this is a serious productivity boost. Second, the simplicity. The interface is beginner-friendly. You don't need editing experience to use it. Third, the videos are optimized for short attention spans. They feel fast, snappy, and on-trend with the kind of content people are used to scrolling through. And finally, cost. While Affogato isn't free, it's dramatically cheaper than hiring editors or agencies, especially if you're producing a lot of content. But it's not all smooth sailing. Let's talk about the limitations. Sometimes the AI-generated visuals look slightly off. For example, text that appears inside the video might be gibberish, or props look a little strange if you pay close attention. Lighting can sometimes feel unnatural. The voiceovers are clear, but occasionally robotic, especially if you're used to more natural human narration. Music, while functional, often feels generic, like the kind of track you've already heard in a dozen ads. And for anyone aiming for cinematic polish, these AI-made videos won't cut it. They're good, sometimes surprisingly good, but they're not flawless. Here's the way I see it. Affogato AI isn't a replacement for professional video production. It's not here to create your next big-budget brand film, but it is a powerful tool for rapid-fire social content. Need 5 ad variations to test this week? Done. Want to mock up a campaign concept before investing in a full shoot? Easy. Are you a solo creator trying to keep your channel alive without burning out? This could be a lifesaver. So, what's my final take? If you're a content creator, a small brand, or a marketer who values speed and consistency over absolute perfection, Affogato AI is worth checking out. It's not going to replace human creativity, but it will amplify it by removing the grunt work. On the flip side, if your audience expects Hollywood-level visuals, you'll still need the human touch. I want to hear from you. Would you actually trust AI to handle your social media videos? Do you think tools like this will put video editors out of business? Or do they just create more opportunities for experimentation? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I'd love to start a discussion around this. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button subscribe to IdeaPlex, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next episode. We're going to be exploring more AI tools that might just change the way you create content. Until then, keep experimenting, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.